sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ng rom-com by Rob Daniel. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C major 7, A, D minor 7, G, at D minor. Pagdating sa C major 7, 4th string ay 2nd fret, and 5th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay A. 2nd string, 3rd string, at 4th string ay 2nd fret. Next ay D minor 7. 1st string at 2nd string ay 1st fret, and 3rd string ay 2nd fret. Next ay G. 1st string at 2nd string ay 3rd fret, 5th string ay 2nd fret, and 6th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay D minor. 1st string ay 1st fret, 2nd string ay 3rd fret, and 3rd string ay 2nd fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Ulit, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Sa C major 7, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, and then A, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, D minor 7, and then G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And then, pagdating lang sa D minor, 2 beses mauulit yung strumming pattern. Sa verse, and then sa chorus, lapis, lapis. Okay, yan po ang verse natin. And then pagdating naman sa chorus, same chords pa rin po. C major 7, A, D minor 7, at G. Strumming pattern kagaya pa rin po ng sa verse, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. C major 7, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, A, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Nakapiling ka na, labis, labis, ang mga halik, mga tapuan na, Okay, yan po ang chorus natin. Pagkatapos nyan, balik verse lang ulit. Same chords pa rin po at strumming pattern kagaya sa verse 1. And then pagdating naman sa bridge, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay D minor 7, G, E minor, A minor, at D7. Pagdating sa E minor, 4th string at 5th string ay 2nd fret. Next ay A minor, 2nd string ay 1st fret, and then 3rd string at 4th string ay 2nd fret. Next ay D7. 1st string ay 2nd fret, second string first fret, and third string ay second fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ganun pa rin po. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. D minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Minsan na lang ako magkaganito, minsan na lang ako muling mabuo, kaya sabihin mo na giliw ko. Okay, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo, at kung nahihirapan naman po kayo ay practice lang at makukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.